Living in a small apartment can be both cozy and convenient, but managing limited space efficiently is a challenge many people face. Thankfully, with modern innovation, there are a variety of space-saving gadgets that make apartment living easier, more organized, and enjoyable. Whether you're struggling with storage, furniture arrangement, or maximizing counter space, the following list of gadgets from Amazon will help you solve those problems. From foldable furniture to multifunctional devices. Number 10. Compact Bed Vacuum Cleaner. Keep your sleeping area hygienic. A clean bed is essential for a healthy home, and this compact bed vacuum cleaner is the perfect solution. It removes up to 99.9% of dust mites, allergens, and pet dander with powerful suction and dual roller brushes. Its multifaceted cleaning uses UVC light to kill bacteria, ultrasonic interference to disrupt particles, and hot air for deep sanitization. The 5-stage high-efficiency particulate air filtration system ensures even the smallest particles are captured. Safety features include UV protection, which activates only when in contact with surfaces, making it effective and safe for regular use. Number 9. Adjustable Bamboo Silverware Organizer. A simple storage solution. This bamboo silverware organizer offers a sleek, expandable design that fits various drawer sizes, adjusting from 13 to 20 inches. It provides between 6 to 8 compartments, perfect for organizing cutlery, kitchen tools, or office supplies. Made from durable, eco-friendly bamboo, it adds a touch of elegance while reducing clutter. The organizer simplifies your routine by keeping everything easily accessible, helping you save time searching for items. Its smooth finish and renewable bamboo material make it both stylish and practical for everyday use. Number 8. Convertible Sofa Bed Couch. Style meets functionality. When you live in a small apartment, furniture that serves multiple functions is a must-have. This convertible sofa bed is a brilliant space-saving solution, combining comfort and versatility. During the day, it serves as a chic, comfortable couch, perfect for relaxing, reading, or entertaining guests. By night, it easily transforms into a bed, making it ideal for movie nights or when you have friends staying over. Built with a sturdy wooden frame and upholstered in soft, durable fabric, this sofa bed is made to last. Its modern design ensures it will complement a range of interior styles, whether you live in a minimalist studio or a more eclectic space. The foldable feature makes it even more practical, allowing you to quickly switch between a seating arrangement and a sleeping space without taking up unnecessary room. Plus, it's a perfect solution for studio apartments, where living and sleeping spaces are often combined. Number 7. Retractable Ceiling Fan with Smart Control. Cool down and save space. Ceiling fans are essential for maintaining airflow in smaller spaces, but traditional designs can be bulky. This retractable ceiling fan is a stylish and functional alternative. When turned off, its 3 blades neatly retract, making the fan nearly invisible, thus saving visual space in the room. When switched on, the blades extend to 42 inches, providing ample cooling power. The fan is also equipped with smart control technology. You can manage the fan speed, lighting, and color temperature through a mobile app or remote. Additionally, it comes with a 36-watt LED light, which offers different lighting modes, including warm and cool options, depending on the ambience you desire. The fan's quiet DC motor ensures it operates silently, making it perfect for bedrooms or living rooms where peace and quiet are a priority. Number 6. Bathroom Organizer. Maximize your vanity space. Cluttered bathroom counters are a common problem in small apartments, but this bathroom organizer is designed to help you manage your space more effectively. It offers a clever storage solution for all your toiletries and bathroom essentials. The organizer comes with 2 curved hooks in the middle, perfect for hanging hair tools like curling irons and hair dryers, while additional hooks on the sides provide space for other items, such as towels or brushes. The height of the organizer is adjustable, allowing it to fit inside or outside cabinets, depending on your preference. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it is both rust-proof and durable, meaning it will last in humid bathroom environments. Its sleek design also ensures that your bathroom stays stylish while keeping all of your essentials within reach. Number 5. Smart Blind System. Automate your blinds for convenience. Upgrading your apartment's blinds can make a significant difference in both convenience and energy efficiency. This smart blind system is an easy-to-install device that transforms your existing blinds into smart ones. It's equipped with a built-in solar panel that keeps the battery charged, reducing the need for constant replacements. Using the smart app or voice assistants like Alexa or Google Home, you can control your blinds with ease. The system's high-precision motor allows you to adjust the blinds to any angle, and its light sensor helps maintain consistent lighting throughout the day. You can set timers for your blinds to open or close at specific times, which is particularly helpful for managing natural light and keeping your apartment cool during hot afternoons. This smart upgrade is a great way to enhance your apartment's ambiance while also improving energy efficiency. Number 4. Foldable Clothes Drying Rack. Save space indoors and outdoors. If you don't have a dryer or simply prefer air drying your clothes, this foldable drying rack is the perfect addition to your apartment. Its tripod design provides excellent stability, and it can support up to 45 pounds of laundry. The adjustable arms make it versatile enough for different drying needs, whether it's hanging large towels, delicate garments, or bedding. The best feature of this drying rack is that it folds flat, making it easy to store when not in use. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, with a weather-resistant finish that ensures durability even on balconies. For small apartments without much floor space, this drying rack offers a functional, compact solution that doesn't compromise on efficiency. Number 3. Portable Handheld Garment Steamer. Keep clothes wrinkle-free. Ironing can be a hassle, especially if your apartment doesn't have room for a full ironing board. This portable handheld garment steamer is a space-efficient alternative that delivers professional results without the bulk. Weighing just 0.8 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to store. The steamer heats up in just 15 seconds, providing up to 10 minutes of continuous steam for quickly smoothing out wrinkles on your clothes. Its compact design makes it perfect for small spaces, and it's ideal for a range of fabrics, from delicate silk to heavy denim. You can even use it on drapes or upholstery, making it a versatile tool for keeping your apartment looking neat and fresh. Its portability also makes it a great travel companion for when you need to touch up your wardrobe on the go. Number 2. Slim Rolling Storage Cart. Add storage in tight spaces. For those awkward, narrow spaces in your apartment, this slim rolling storage cart is the perfect solution. At just 4.75 inches wide, it can fit between appliances or slide into tight spaces where traditional storage solutions wouldn't fit. It's perfect for the kitchen, bathroom, or even a home office. The cart features multiple tiers for storing items like toiletries, kitchen spices, or office supplies, while side hooks offer additional hanging space for small items. Made from durable plastic, this cart is easy to assemble and clean, making it a practical choice for any small apartment. The wheels allow for easy movement, so you can slide it out of the way when not in use, and the mesh bottom prevents water buildup, making it suitable for damp environments like bathrooms. Number 1. Smart Coffee Table with Built-in Refrigerator. The ultimate space-saving luxury. The ultimate space-saving luxury for any small apartment. This smart coffee table combines functionality with modern technology. Not only does it serve as a coffee table, but it also has a built-in mini refrigerator, perfect for storing drinks and snacks. The table features 2 adjustable temperature drawers, so you can store different types of food and beverages at their optimal temperatures. Additionally, this coffee table is equipped with a 10-watt wireless charger and 2 USB ports, allowing you to charge your devices without the need for extra cords. It also has a 110-volt power outlet, which is perfect for plugging in small appliances like a coffee maker or laptop. The table's sleek design and multifunctionality make it ideal for small apartments, where every piece of furniture needs to serve more than one purpose. Thanks for watching. If you found these space-saving gadgets helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more smart home tips and product recommendations.